Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is construction of angles 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 120 degree that we will discuss in this video. So let's start the session. So if we have to draw say 30 degree, 45 degree. So first of all, let us try to draw 60 degree. So see, first of all you have to, so we are now discussing about 60 degree angle. So this is your straight line segment. Put the pointer here of any arc length, draw like this, and don't change the measurement. Again, put the pointer here. First time, cut the arc. Put the pointer here. Second time, cut the arc. Put the pointer here. Cut the arc. So this all the three arcs represent one value. This represents your 60 degree value. This represents your 120 degree value, and this represents your 180 degree value. This arc length. So each cut represents one angle. So the 60 degree angle is very simple. The first cut represents your 60 degree. So join them. This is your 60 degree measurement. So let us say this was your angle, your line AB, and let us say this is your D. So our angle BAD comes out to be 60 degree. So simple. Just with the same arc length, draw the arc length, then put the pointer here first time, cut an arc at this point first, then second, and then third. Your first represents 60 degree, this 120 degree, and this 180 degree. Okay. Next, if you want to draw, this is a 60 degree done. Next is your 90 degree. Okay, let's draw your 90 degree. So again, draw a line. Let us say this is your AB. So put the pointer, draw an arc, cut 60 degree, cut 120 degree, and let's say this is 180 degree. Okay, fine. So this is your first angle is 60 degree, the other is 120, and this is 30. So now we have to use the bisecting angle property. Since this 90 is between 60 and 120. Okay. So if you add them and divide it by 2, that means your is 90 degrees. So that means we will use the bisecting angle case. So put the pointer here, the same arc length or any different will be possible. No issue for that. So put the pointer here, cut an arc. Put the pointer here, cut an arc. Draw this line, straight line. This will be your 90 degree. This will be your 90 degree. How? First, since we have identified this 90 lies between, as it lies between 0 and there are many possibilities, but we usually take between 60 and 120 because if we add it, bisecting means what? Half. Okay, equally half bisect. Okay, so that means 60 plus 120 by 2, 180 by 2, that is your 90 degree. So here it comes the 90 degree angle. So it is your required angle. Let us say this is your D. So your angle BAD comes out to be 90 degree. So 60 degree is the 90 degree angle. So let's discuss about 45 degree. So now 45 degree will be between 0 and 90 degree. Okay, so first draw the line AB. Arc length, put an arc of any length. Pointer here, this is your 60 degree, this is your 120 degree, and this is 180 degree. Okay, now this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, fine. So first of all, we have to construct the 90 degree. 90 degree will be between 60 degree and 120 degree. So join this line, you will get your 90 degree. Now between 0 and 90, you will get your 45 degree. Between 0 and 90. So this is your 0 degree. So put the pointer here. This is your 90 degree. Put the pointer here. Okay. Now join this line. Join this line. You will get your 45 degree. This whole angle is your 45 degree. So this is your 45 degree. So how? So 45 degree is between 0 and 90 degree. So it is the between the bisecting of angles of 0 and 90 degree. For that we have to construct first 90 degree, then put the pointer here, cut an arc, put the pointer here, cut an arc, join this arc, you will get your required angle. So let us say this is D. Again, you get your angle BAD as 45 degree. So now let's discuss about 30 degree. So we know 30 degree is between 0 and 60. It is half of 0 and 60. So first of all, only we require we don't require 90 degree. Here we will require only 60 degree. This is your 60, 120, 180. And if you draw angle of 60 degree, let us say this is your 60 degree. Let us say this is your 60 degree. 1 second. So put an draw an arc at 60, 120 and this. If you draw your angle 60 degree like this. Now this 30 degree lies between 0 and 60. So put the pointer here, cut the mark here, cut the mark here. So you will join this, you will get your, this half angle is 30 degree and this half is also 30 degree. So this, if this is 45, this is also 45, constitute to 90 degree. So since we are drawing the bisecting angles, what we are doing, we are creating the bisecting angles. This is 30, this is 30, the overall gives you the 60 degree angle. Okay, so this is how, so let us say this is your A, this is your D, this is your B. So our angle BAD comes out to be, sorry, here, let us say this is C. Now CAD, your angle CAD comes out to be how much? 30 degrees. So this is how we have to draw the angles. So 60 degree, they are direct, 120 degree, they are direct. But if you want to draw 90, it will lie between 60 and 120. If you want to draw 30, it will lie between 0 and 60 degree. And if you want to draw 45, it will lie between 0 and 90 degrees. So you have to check this. Since it is a bisecting case, we what how to check? Add them divided by 2. Add them divided by 2, you will get your required angles. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my admin profile. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.